Sahj?
Yeah, I'm coming. I got the clothes. Alright. This shirt is a little too small, and these pants are too tight. I'm ready.
All right, bro, you better be warm too, because mechanics be dressing warm. You need to stop and look at the mirror for it.
I like my haircut.
Oh, okay. That's why you stopped to check yourself out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, my bad, Kaden.
Hey, it's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. You're right.
Yeah, do you see the plug?
No, that's not the plug.
All right.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Where?
It's right
Well, let's get
here.
Man, you are. That's the middle of the car. That's not where the oil tank is. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be under the hood. It's gonna be like under here somewhere.
Then why didn't you start under here? If I go upside down, I can see it. I remember. I don't think I. Oh wait, you put a bucket there.
Yeah, I put a bucket there.
Okay, so it's right there. Cool. Alright, I can.
You can see it?
I feel like a mechanic. Oh yeah, it's right here. Alright,
Got it. Hey, get it in there first. Hey, yo, put some pressure. Like, what you holding it on the far end for? Some pressure under there. Get it around.
There we go.
There you go around now. There you go. Hey, keep the pressure on. Stop going to the edge. Boy,
what? Oh,
keep the pressure on. There you go.
I can't go back.
Oh, Lord. All right, let me loosen it for you. Yeah, put gloves on. Put gloves on.
Matches our color scheme pretty well.
Yeah, it does. All right, slide. I'm going to adjust this underneath it. All right, yo, you're facing me, but the thing is on the other side. How you going to be able to turn? Look, exactly. How you, okay. Oh, snap. Your head is...
Like, oh my God, he did it.
Go, watch out.
All right, there you go.
Yo, if it's loose, don't use that. Just use your hands.
All right, let me try.
Slowly, because once that oil come out.
I'm not.
Yeah. Don't let that screw fall out of your hand, boy, because you keep moving your hand, the screw gonna fall in the thing. It's gonna be drowning in oil, man.
I got this. All right.
You got this, huh? First time.
First time
Got
for
it.
you too.
Okay. No, that's what I'm saying. You're the first time for you talking about you got it.
Oh, okay. It's coming out.
There we go.
Yeah.
Just falling on it. There you go. That's why you got the gloves. Move. There you go. All right, come on out with it. Good job.
It's actually pretty warm doing that. Actually,
I was just driving down. I'm glad you ain't get burnt or nothing. I ain't even read whether you wait or nothing. This is crazy. All right, let's get you something to wipe your hands off with. And that's why I said don't use that jacket. Watch out.
It barely. Almost on the jacket.
Now what's next, sir?
You gotta open that.
Gotta get that filter in? Let's do it.
I think.
You think, huh? Okay. All right. Open the trunk. Right under the P, boy. Right under the P, you're gonna feel a lever. You're gonna push it to the left,
Oh, I feel it.
It's right here.
I got you.
Right here. Push this over. Feel it?
Oh, I see it. I see it right there.
There you go.
Alright, good.
All right, pop that cover off.
Alright, I just opened it. No.
Or you can pop the cover off. Up to you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, this is very easy. Why would they waste their money? Let me put this down. It's not.
Nah, lay it close enough so that as soon as you pull it out, it was just, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, cool.
As soon as you pull that filter out, you go right here.
And there it is.
15/16. Let me see let me see what you got. This.
Oh.
That's how you keep pressure down.
Right,
You want to keep pressure down. The turning is a different story altogether. Don't pull it, turn it.
Yeah.
All right, let me try, because you're about to break something. All right, my man. Pull out that filter. Got it?
We got them, boys.
That's not the filter. That's the cap. There goes the filter right in there. I got you, bro.
Thank you.
Got it. All right. What are you opening that for?
To get the O-ring from inside the thing. From all the
To do what?
To take the O-ring off.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Expert. That's what? What is that in your hand?
That's the.
What is it?
Oh, this is.
Hey, bro. What? Answer the question.
This is the filter.
Oil filter. Okay. So what's that? And now what's that in your hand?
And this is the.
What's that in your hand?
Holder of the oil filter.
Boy. Huh? The cap. It's
Yeah,
the cap. All right. So yeah. All right. So there you go. All right, that's why I was wondering what you was doing, but you don't be answering nothing.
It's a lot easier than I expected.
What is in your hand, boy?
Filter.
What did I ask you to get?
Wait, what did you asked me to get?
Yeah, the O-ring.
Oh,
the hell? You just took the O-ring off. So what you think you should go get now?
I gotta go get the cap.
The O-ring! The other O-ring in the box, man. There's another one in there, yo. You tripping.
I got it.
You bugging. Put the...
Get it up. There we go. And now you just gotta keep going down.
Yeah?
Like a professional. I'm gonna pull it up so I can get it. And now
It's off again. Oh, boy.
No, I gotta get it off so it's easier for me to take it out. I'm not gonna be here all day. Scratch that. You might hear from Beaver.
I'm gonna die right here. This is where I die. Damn, yo. Where did Sam die?
Darn it. Alright. Oh, it's almost there. We're almost there. You're almost there, Chief. You got it. There you go. It's on.
All right, cool. Now you put the filter in the cap.
Now you put the filter.
What, boy? What's the cap? What is the cap?
This.
Where were you about to put the filter? Do you see a cap down there? You see this stuff? No, he looking for real. I can't believe this.
Give me the
Turn it. What are you doing?
Turning it.
What are you turning?
I'm turning the cap.
Wait, you put the filter in already?
Yeah, I put the filter in.
Oh man, let me make sure, bro. I don't know. Make sure. I don't know you like that. You feel me? I don't know you like that. You know what I'm saying? Just met you.
I'm your son.
Oh yeah, I forgot. All right, yeah. Good job, man. Good job, man. Go ahead. Yeah, close that up. All right, cool. Now what? Is the oil still dripping on the bottom?
Probably, but it's probably like not.
How about you know for sure? Look under the bottom. Talking about some probably. Like, talking about some probably. Is it?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. It's like barely dripping.
Where? Oh my God.
I'm gonna take it out. It's fine.
Take what out? You ain't even plugged the hole yet.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
What is going on?
Look, okay, on the first time. Right? I told you I fell asleep during the first half video.
My man tripping. Look at that. He grabbed a tool and then let me see what he's gonna do. He's gonna plug it. Let's see. Go ahead. What do you think, Playboy? Yeah. He got the. Oh yeah. Here. There you go. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, my dad.
Yeah.
Dude, come on.
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. At least I remembered it before, like, I tried to put the thing on.
At least, huh? At least. Okay.
I forgot again. Jesus Christ. All right. Now, it goes right in the...
Start with your hands. Matter of fact, let's let it drip. Let's let it finish dripping. Let's go inside for like 10 minutes and let it finish dripping, all right? All right, so we plugged it. Now pull the cardboard. Wow. Wow, you did it. Oh, man.
It does look like chocolate.
Yeah. All right, cool.
And that's how kids die.
Do the thing. Act like it's milk. It's like it's a carton of milk.
No.
That's the direction you turn it. Opening milk. Wow.
Why?
Come on, bro. You serious right now? You serious?
The wrong way.
You serious? You just wanted me to dirty my hands.
No, I didn't. I promise you.
All right. Funnel.
Put this down for
All right. basically done, man. Once we put that oil in, we reset the oil life on the inside of the car. We good, man. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? You're my new mechanic. You know what I'm saying? I need you to change the brakes next week for me, all right?
Yeah, I don't know about that one.